Okay, what a beautiful day for flying. See if we can still land this airplane. It's been a long time. Woo! Yeah! Put her in a hard slip here. Wow, we are hauling ass. Whoa, what the heck was that? Feels like my tail just fell off. Oh, there. Holy cow, that was weird. I think we better go figure out what that was. Like the whole tail was just shaking.
Okay, so I don't know if the camera actually picked up what was actually happening out there. If it didn't, as the tail wheel touched the concrete, I don't know if the tail was crooked or what it was, but once it hit the concrete, it started shimmying and shaking real bad, and the whole tail was shaking, and it's not the best feeling in the world. So I don't know what's wrong with it at this point. I haven't even looked at it yet. I just got out of the plane, but we're gonna tear into it here in just a few minutes and see if we can figure out what the problem is. Okay, so this is the part that's shaking. You look at this pivot point, this bolt goes all the way through. That should be almost like exactly where it is. Get a little bit of weight on it, and I would say that's almost perfect. So sometimes that's what will cause the shimmy, if that bolt is sitting way crooked in there or something, you got way too much weight on the tail. So I'm guessing just one of these nuts needs to be tightened up. I don't know, I grease it probably once a year, so I'm confident there's good grease in there. But we'll get it lifted up and see if it's got any wobble to it. This is actually the Matco 8-inch wide tail wheel. And you look, the tire doesn't look like it's out of round or nothing. It does have a little bit of play in it. Looks more like it's this top bolt. Bottom one's pretty solid. We'll take this one off, give it a little tighten, and see what it does. After you look at this, how much this flexes. So when it started doing that, I thought the whole freaking tail was going to fall off. But I don't know. I thought maybe the early Kitfoxes had a weaker tail on them, but let's go check the Model 7. All right, so here's my Model 7 tail. I actually think that one's got more wobble in it than the early one. You've got a Sonics. This one, I think you could probably drive a truck on top of it and it wouldn't move. I got too many airplanes. Let's go get back to work. So I had to get some cardboard to sit on. If I get these pants dirty, my wife will make fun of me for a year for ruining another new pair of pants. All right, pins out. Don't really know how tight you're supposed to tighten them. definitely took the wobble out. And all the grease squash out, so that's good. I don't know. Probably go get a new cotter pin, put it back together, and let's go try it.
Okay, so the new cotter pin is in, tail wheel's tightened up. It's that simple. Be quite impressed. Not actually going to take off because I don't have enough gas to be safe. So we're just going to get it up to landing speed, do a fast taxi. I'll drop the tail wheel, concrete, and that should tell us. Here we go. All right, tail's up. About landing speed. Oh, yeah, baby. That thing is solid as a rock. Do another one. Okay, so we're basically at the end of the runway. It feels pretty good. I have a hard time believing that's all it was, but if so, hey, I'm good with that. Alright, so I can't say nothing bad about Matco because 200 and some hours on this airplane on that tail wheel, and that's the only thing I've done to it other than put a little air in it every once in a while, so yeah, good with that. Alright guys, I'm going to wrap it up here. Hey, if you liked it, give me a thumbs up, you know. If you want more of these educational videos, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. I'll see what I can do, but hey, see you on the next one. Peace. Yeah, baby. Woo! That's how you land a Kitfox with a frickin' 18 knot straight up crosswind.